And you're good? Are you on? You're already rolling? Okay, so we have, what I want to do now is I want to introduce you to the so-called problem, okay? Generator armature reaction. The reason why energy costs as much as it does to produce, why we have CO2 pollution and so on and so on. So here we have a generator, okay? It's a DC generator, and are you my guy? Okay, you're going to be the prime mover, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to turn the generator in this direction, okay? And just keep turning it. You can go now. Okay, just keep it going. So now you are idling the generator on no load. Okay? You're idling at a steady state speed. Now I'm going to place the generator on load, and we're going to see how much current you're producing over here. Okay, so you feel that? What's happening is the current that's flowing in the windings. Jesse, do you want to feel this?
Sure.
You want to get a sense of what it is? Okay, it doesn't matter which way you go. So when current flows in the windings of the coil, a magnetic field is produced around the windings that creates a counter electromagnetic torque. Feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's regenerative braking in an electric vehicle. So in order to keep the generator turning and supplying power to the grid, additional mechanical power has to be supplied to the prime mover so that it goes into the drive shaft so the generator keeps turning. Otherwise, the generator will stall. Okay, like it in EV. EVs decelerate when they're recharging the batteries because of the counter torque produced inside their motors that are operating as generators. So what our technology does is it reverses the direction, it delays the load current. I'm not going to get terribly technical, I'm just giving you the phrases. We delay the load current so that we reverse we delay the production of the magnetic field enough to reverse the counter torque and produce a complementary electromagnetic torque. So if you're turning the generator on idle and you're putting in a certain amount of power at idle, when a conventional generator goes on load, you have to increase the power in the drive shaft. When the Regenex generator goes on load, it actually gets easier to turn rather than harder. And this prototype here, we're going to demonstrate that to you, and we're going to introduce you to the load current delay. And the load current delay is the thing that makes it work. And the load current delay is the essential part of the innovation's discovery. And then from there, I'm going to introduce you to the commercially manufactured coils, and I'm going to show you the e-bike, and then we'll just basically talk about how you're going to put it together.